Great morning, wonderful learners. How are you all today? I hope you're all doing good. So, today we are going to be learning our Christian literacy. Before we go into today's topic, let's do a quick revision on what we learned last week. So, last week we learned about obedience. Can you remember? We learned about obedience, and we said obedience is doing what you are asked to do. Obedience is doing what you're asked to do. And I said when mommy tells you to do something and you do it, it means you're obeying mommy. Yes, that is being obedient. And I also said that when you're obedient, it makes God very happy. And when God is happy with you, He gives you lots and lots of gifts. So remember to always obey mommy, obey daddy, obey everyone who seniors you. So today we are going to learn about two wonderful brothers, and their names are Esau and Jacob. What did I say? Esau and Jacob. Everybody say Esau and Jacob. Yes, Esau and Jacob. Now Esau and Jacob are Isaac and Rebekah's children. Now remember, Isaac was the son of Abraham. Isaac was the son of Abraham. And then when Isaac grew up, Isaac got himself a wife called Rebekah. His wife's name was called what? Rebekah. Then Isaac and Rebekah had two boys. Isaac and Rebekah had two boys. So how many boys did Isaac and Rebekah have? Two boys. Yes, they had two boys. Isaac and Rebekah had two boys. And their names were Esau and Jacob. Their names was what? Esau and Jacob. The names of Isaac and Rebekah's two boys are Esau and Jacob. The boy's name is Esau. The second boy's name is what? Jacob. Everybody say Esau, Jacob. Yes, Esau and Jacob. Now, when Esau and Jacob started growing up, Isaac loved Esau so much. He loved who? Esau so much, because Esau was a hunter. He would go into the bush and catch a lot of meat for Isaac, his father, and bring it to the house and cook it and give it to Isaac, and Isaac will eat it. So Isaac loved who? Esau. Isaac loved Esau. Can you see Isaac teaching Esau how to throw an arrow? Yes, because he loved Esau so much. So who did Isaac love? Isaac loved Esau. Good. Now, Rebekah, which is Isaac's wife, she loved Jacob. She loved what? Jacob. She loved Jacob so much because Jacob will always be at home and be helping his mom sweep, cook, and do different kind of things for the mommy at home. So the mommy loved Jacob so much. Rebekah loved Jacob so much. While Isaac loved Esau, Rebekah loved Jacob. And I'm sure mommy and daddy loves you all too. Very good. Now let's quickly do a recap of what we've been taught. I said Isaac and Rebekah had two boys. Isaac and Rebekah had how many boys? Two boys. And their names were Esau and Jacob. Their names were what? Esau and Jacob. And then we said also that Isaac loved Esau because he always bring lots of meat for Isaac. And why Rebekah loved Jacob? Because Jacob always help her at home. Very good. Now I want you all to answer this question. Isaac and Rebekah had how many boys? How many boys did Isaac and Rebekah have? They had two boys. How many boys? two boys. Very good. And then Rebecca loved who so much? She loved who? Jacob. Yes, Rebecca loved Jacob. And why did Rebecca love Jacob? She loved Jacob because he was always helping her cook and wash in the house. I hope you always help mommy also in cooking and washing. All right, thank you very much. See you in school on Tuesday. Bye.